Are you ready to learn how to create a stunning and professional goddess cornrow? In today's step-by-step tutorial, I'll guide you through everything you need to know to achieve this gorgeous look. Whether you're a complete beginner, an aspiring hairstylist, or someone who wants to master braiding techniques, this video is for you. Stick around to the end and I will share my top secrets for neat and long-lasting braids that will set your styles apart. Let's jump right into it. No fluff, just the essential steps to get started. We are creating a leaf-like pattern, tiny cornrows, framing two larger, bold cornrows on top of each section. This look not only enhances natural beauty, but it's also perfect for protective styling on fussy natural hair or any textured hair type. By parting the hair into sections, begin with a deep center part to guide your design. Next, divide each side into smaller sections for the leaf-like cornrows. Use the rat tape comb for your precision. A neat and clean pattern is crucial for a polished result. Now let's start braiding. Take one of the smaller sections and divide it into 3 equal strands. Grip the hair firmly and begin your cornrow braid. Feeding the strands under each other while pulling gently to maintain tension. This creates the first leaf in this design. As you braid, feed in a small amount of hair extension if needed to add thickness and length. Work your way down the section until the braid is complete. Repeat this step for the rest of the smaller sections on the same side, ensuring each cornrow is evenly spaced and follows the flow of the leaf pattern. Pay attention to symmetry. This is because what makes the design stand out is the clean pattern.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by.
Once all the tiny cornrows are complete, it's time to move to the larger cornrows that sit on top of each leaf section. These cornrows will add boldness and definition to the style. For the big cornrows, start by gathering the smaller braids into the larger section. As you braid, this will create a seamless flow between the tiny leaf-like cornrows and the bigger, more dramatic ones. The key is control. Keep your grip firm but not too tight to avoid discomfort for your client or yourself. Once all the braids are complete, smooth down any flyaways using a braid mouse, that is a styling mouse or a styling gel. If you have added extension, trim away any stray hairs for a clean finish. To make the hairstyle pop, accessorize with braids, curves, beads and ribbons for a unique touch. That's if you want, okay? For extra shine and scalp hydration, apply light oil like argan or jojoba oil, especially important for fussy hair to lock in moisture and the braids looking fresh. Congratulations, you've just created a stunning goddess cornrow braid hairstyle. This look is versatile, professional and perfect for any occasion. If you're a beginner, don't worry if it takes a little longer the first few times. Practice makes perfect, and soon you will master this technique effortlessly. Before you go, here are a few tips to take your braiding skills to the next level. Always work with clean, moisturized hair. The best results for parting hair to improve precision. It's a game changer for professional styles. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for many more easy step-by-step hairstyle tutorials. Share this video with your friends or anyone starting their hairdressing journey, and don't forget to drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, where we'll dive into even more stunning hairstyles and expert tips for beginners and professionals alike. Keep practicing, and soon you will be creating masterpieces with confidence.